Sir Peter Alexander von Ustinov CBE FRSA. The 16th of April 1921 to the 28th of March 2004. Was a British actor, filmmaker and writer. He was a fixture on television talk shows and lecture circuits for much of his career. An intellectual and diplomat, he held various academic posts and served as a goodwill ambassador for UNICEF and president of the World Federalist Movement. Ustinov was the winner of numerous awards during his life, including 2 Academy Awards for Best Supporting Actor, Emmy Awards, Golden Globes, and BAFTA Awards for acting, and a Grammy Award for Best Recording for Children, as well as the recipient of governmental honors from, amongst others, the United Kingdom, France, and Germany. He also displayed a unique cultural versatility which frequently earned him the accolade of a Renaissance man. Miklós Rózsa, composer of the music for Quo Vadis and of numerous concert works, dedicated his String Quartet No. 1. Op. 22. 1950. to Ustinov. In 2003. Durham University changed the name of its graduate society to Ustinov College in honor of the significant contributions Ustinov had made as Chancellor of the university from 1992 until his death.